Hi, my name's Brett Kelly, the founder and CEO of Kelly+Partners Chartered Accountants. I started my career in 1993 as an undergraduate cadet at Price Waterhouse. I worked for the next 12 years learning and growing and understanding chartered accounting businesses. I finished my chartered accounting qualifications, undertook a master's degree in taxation and became a tax agent and looked very hard at what was good, bad and ugly in the accounting profession. I was going to leave the profession. I was that frustrated with working, frankly, for people who weren't clear on where they wanted to go, didn't really think about the difference that they could make to their teams, their staff, or to the clients. And frankly, most often, their best excuse was, "I'm busy." Now, you and I are similar in that I'm sure that we're also busy. But what I've learned subsequently is that paying attention to what is important to you, what you value, the difference that you want to make, and then thinking about and taking action in terms of how to make that happen is very important. So since 2006, we've built our business. We've grown on average 36% a year. We've done that by organically growing the businesses that we have. We've done 23 growth transactions, 9 of which have been greenfield operations, the balance where we've bought a 51% interest in a leading chartered accounting firm. If you're in your business and you're thinking that, gee, I'm worried about succession and I'd like to have a plan, I'd like to have a partner that could bring great people and help the great people that you have step up and take the business forward, then please contact us. But if you're also in a business where you want a better proposition for your people, your team, the people that make it happen and that you care about, then it would be great to sit down and have a coffee. The other groups that we're speaking to have looked hard at their client proposition. They know they've got great clients that are growing and developing their business, and they want to be able to do more for those clients. We're an organisation that has developed a very unique client system that takes those clients from cradle to grave across multiple generations. We've got some client groups that have been in our businesses for more than 60 years, and we've thought hard about how to service those people right through that life journey and a generational journey beyond. If you're sitting there thinking, well, you know what, I do really like my clients and I want the best for them, then why don't we sit down and compare notes and see if there's anything that we've come up with in the more than 800 pages of unique intellectual property that we've built over the last 11 years that might be able to help your clients. And finally, what we've found that made the biggest difference to me when I was sitting there thinking, gee, it's just me and a few teammates, was that to do the back office of a business well is the secret to be able to have a holiday and actually be on holidays, to spend time with your wife and your kids and actually be present, but also feel good about the difference that your business can actually make without stressing you out too much. Now, we've achieved that in our business by having a 10-person centrally managed management services team. What does that team do? Well, it helps provide leadership, strategy, and management services into each of the 16 businesses within which we're involved. Now, we're providing human resources services, a full recruitment function, a full human resources compliance function. We're providing marketing. We're providing IT, operations, risk, and quality assurance. Just as one example, each of our businesses is quality assurance audited twice a year. You know, I had 6 firms before the Institute of Chartered Accountants got around to doing our first quality audit after about 6 years. It's meant to happen about every 5. We take quality so seriously in a world now that I don't think does, that it is a competitive advantage. And we're achieving great levels of quality by having a quality assurance audit twice a year on all of our firms, but also having consistent processes such that it's easy to do the work very, very well. We've got a centralized IT system that works, and we've basically been able to put together 191 team members to date. We're in May 2017, that work with each other across the offices, even though each office is independently owned and operated. Now, from a financial point of view, we buy into the firm. We can buy all of it or part of it. We sit down and look at what the owner is trying to achieve with their team. We make a plan that we know will help individuals, the leadership people and the team be better off. Our byline, incidentally, is better off. We want to make our people better off, our partners better off, our customers better off, and the community within which we operate better off. Now, I must say, when I started, the bar was quite low in chartered accounting businesses, so that hasn't been too difficult. But I know in your firm, as in ours, we take that commitment to our people and our clients and our communities very seriously, and we're doing a lot to make a difference. We've got a great team, and I'm sure you do as well. It would be great to sit down and have a discussion. We've helped more than 14 businesses grow and develop and become better, stronger organisations. We've looked at more than 300 accounting firms, so we're not looking for everyone. But if you are in that small number of firms that are determined to be the best in our industry, looking after private clients, then please be in touch.